Hello everyone! So this is Memorial Day weekend, family weekend at the ranch, and don't be fooled here by my husband working in full sun in the middle of the day. It was hot, like burning hot, 100 degrees. But regardless, we had a really good time, so let me take you around, see our farm animals, a short trip to our RV park with the lake feeding the fishes as well, and finishing the day with a little campfire and some s'mores. Tag along! Gosh, life is so hard on the farm, eh, Gizmo? No, I don't have treats. You want a treat? Oh, he's ready to eat the water hose, huh? Oy. Oh, Peppa is waiting right behind you, huh? Mm.
Now they're coming after the phone.
Go ahead, put more.
Big bass. You might like the bass. Saw the big one?
Yeah, I saw one big.
So you can grab it out there. Come here, sit up here where you can have sign where you can down in the water. See him right there, the big one?
Yeah.
See him now? See another big one over there?
Yeah.
Lots of fishes, huh?
Yeah.
You can see them from up here.
Yeah.
There's a little bass right there. There's a bunch of bass in there. Look at that big one right there. See? Coming up to the top.
There's a lot of them.
There is a bunch, huh? All kinds of bass.
Yeah, you only pick the black ones, not the pink one, only the black. And you put them in the bucket. See, you got a nice black one here. Well, in the bucket, it's a bowl. You got a big black one like right behind. You got two of them. Okay. Got it. I'm gonna put here. Very good. Yeah.
I know this one's good.
It looks good. But here you got some. Okay. In the bucket. Okay. It's gonna take a while to fill that one up, huh? Mm-hmm. Plenty of berries. Oh yes. Get that one.
Throw it in there. Throw it in there. There you go. Close enough.
And what you see here on the ground are some scrambled eggs that we feed back to them if we have too many or they're a bit old, and they love it. Shoot, oh yeah, they're eating too.
Don't get it in the water. Here, come around the corner. No, come around the corner. Go around the corner over there.
Let's give you some big scoops.
A big scoop? Oh yeah.
Can I feed them too?
Let Sophie give him a scoop.
Let's get actually. They like
Oh, I'm
it.
sorry, Ann. It was Ann. I wasn't even paying attention.
lay some eggs.
You think? Come on, don't fight. There's enough food for everybody here. So these are some of the turkeys we hatched earlier this year. You're the noisy one. You are. What do you want to tell us? You are very noisy. Yeah, we like eggs too, huh? Gizmo.
Have a good breakfast.
Yeah, the chicken is like, no, I want the egg. And what about on that side, huh, Peppa? Oh, you got some eggs too. Good. Yeah? Having a good breakfast? Almost like bacon and eggs, huh? Just the eggs. You're the bacon. Like the milk, huh, Gizmo? That's one that passed the date, huh? You're finishing our leftovers milk here. Is that good, boy? Looks like it is. Your girlfriend is having a blast too over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, there's nothing left with her. You drank it all. You drank it all. Yeah. Hey, Fabio. How are you, my boy? How do you like your new harem up there, huh? Look at all these girls with you. Look at that. It's all ladies. You're the lucky one, huh? Oh, my peanut. We haven't given you a name, huh? We need to give you a name. And all the others here. Mommy and her little one and the other one in the back. Yeah. Quite a few little goats in here. All these for the boy here. How did you get here? This is the turkey pen. How did you get here? Little goat? All the little ones, huh? I'd like to know. Yeah. Now, you came through the door. I'm pretty sure you went around. Yeah, you need to go back. It's gonna be night. Yeah, there's no exit over there. No, you're gonna have to go where I'm at. I know. Come on, little goat. Come on. Don't be scared. Go back to mommy. Yeah? Go back to mommy. What are you doing in here, huh? I know. You should be back in your pen. Oh, I see how she got in and out over there. It's pretty easy, yeah? You're just too slim. That's the thing. Yeah, back in. Wow. Wow. Okay, we're back with mommy. Very good. Very good. Back with mommy. You're quite something, huh? This is just, yeah, a bit too loose for the slim little ones over there in the back, huh? All right. Have a good night, little goats. Stick?
No, it's my seat.
Oh, your seat. Yeah, that's a comfy seat. Don't put it too much in the fire, huh? You're gonna burn it.
You touch it to the wood, it's gonna taste like dirt.
Wait, I think
Yeah.
it's on fire.
Angeli, up.
Oh. Yeah, mine's already has been cooked. Yeah. Can I have a hot dog bun? Give me a hot dog bun.
I think you need to go up.
Come on, now I have to
Daddy
take
has it.
Don't touch it to the wood.
Come on.
I think your dad's coming with the buns.
Smells like smoke.
Is it cooked enough?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Got to be a bit more. I got to talk on it. Why don't I get a piece?
Oh, Angeli, you want yours very cooked, huh?
I can see the smoke. Can I have my feedback?
How good is it?
You want mine?
Hot. Oh, okay.
Mine's a lot closer.
Angie, you want to try? Oh, you already did. How is it?
Good.
Here, I'm gonna pick this up so we don't get. You can't bring fire out of the fire, baby. Danger, danger.
So, how is it, Angie?
It's good.
Good?
But can we have another s'more for the s'more?
Mm-hmm. Looks very chocolatey, yeah?
Everybody to have two. You birth the first one. So, if Lily doesn't come back down here, you can have two, and she can do that just so. And if she does, then I'll go back to
Well, looks like the puppy's interested too, huh?
Oh,
He
I
wants a
bet he
s'more.
is. Like this smells good.
Yeah, that smells good, huh? Juice? Let me look at yours. Wow, that's a lot of chocolate too.